Welcome to Farhan Gadget's Reviews. In this video, we're uncovering the top 5 best Bissell vacuum cleaners that are taking the market by storm. From pet-friendly options to heavy-duty carpet cleaners, we got something for every cleaning need. Click the subscribe button and like the video. Let us jump right into the list. Number 5. Bissell Surface Sense Pet Upright Vacuum. About this item. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Vacuum wash at the same time. Bissell Crosswave Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner cleans better than a sponge mop and bucket, and in less time. Multi-surface cleaning. Safe and effective for use on tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, area rugs, and more. 2-tank technology. Keeps clean water and formula separate from dirty water and dry debris, so you always clean everyday messes with fresh solution. Dual-action multi-surface brush roll. The innovative microfiber and nylon brush rotates at 3000 RPM, while also mopping and picking up dry debris at same time. Link in description. Number 4. Bissell Crosswave Floor and Area Rug Cleaner. Turbo Strength Motor Technology. Delivers an energy-efficient 40% more suction power and 50% noise reduction for a quiet clean. Max Clean Mode. Removes embedded dirt, stains, and allergens. Express Clean Mode. Leaves your carpets dry in about 30 minutes. Heat Wave Technology. Helps maintain water temperature throughout the cleaning process. Features 12 cleaning rows of bristles to remove embedded dirt. Link in description. Number 3. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet. About this item. Outcleans the leading rental. Get professional-grade cleaning results. Power rating 12 amps. XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush. Eight rows of bristles penetrate carpet fibers to loosen and lift embedded dirt. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. 9 long reach hose 6 inches top stain tool. Easily clean stairs, upholstery, and hard to reach areas. Use with Bissell Pro Max Clean with Protect formula. Remove tough, ground in dirt and stains. Link in description. Number 2. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. About this item. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Professional style results. Outcleans the leading rental machine. Dual Dirt Lifter Power Brush. 10 rows of bristles combined with powerful suction remove embedded dirt and stains. 2 machines in 1. Full-size carpet cleaner and lift-off portable spot cleaner. 2 specialized tools. 3 Tough Stain Tool Spraying Crevice Tool. Remove tough messes from stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. Link in description. Number 1. Bissell 2-in-1 ProHeat 2X Lift-Off Pet. About this item. Surface Sense technology. Intelligently senses floor type and automatically adjusts the brush roll's speed for a powerful multi-surface clean. Tangle-free multi-surface brush roll. Designed with stiff bristles for cleaning carpet and soft bristles for gentle cleaning on hard surfaces. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Specific uses: carpet. Powerful pet cleaning. Cleans dander, dirt, and hair on all surfaces where your pet goes. Smart Seal Allergen System. Traps and locks dust and allergens while you clean. Link in description. Subscribe for more insightful reviews and exciting gadget updates. Thanks for joining Farhan Gadget's Reviews. Happy cleaning!